Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So most of you guys have seen that I've posted an eat car car wash, and majority of the funds going for charity. So yeah, sometimes you give charity and you don't really see the benefit. You'll see it in the akhirah, or maybe sometimes you might see it now, but I'm trying to give back a little both here in this world and maybe in the year after you also might get a little bit back. So the 135, the black one, the one here, it's done. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do the package for 1,200 rand. We got all of our equipment laid out here. We ain't no professionals. This is know how to video. Don't dollar this thing if you don't know how to do it, right? Yeah, we know a little bit, but not everything. You know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, this is going to be the process for. We're going to be removing the two wheels in the front and the two wheels at the rear. We're going to be cleaning the inner fender linings. We're going to clean the wheels. We're going to clay bar the inner barrel of the wheels as well. We're going to be cleaning the inside of the engine bay. We're going to be cleaning the interior of the car. So everything on the inside is going to be done. And then afterwards there, we're going to decontaminate the entire car, decontaminate the wheels, both mechanically and chemically. We're then going to wash the car properly. And then we're going to finish the car off with the wax and a sealant. That's going to be the goal. But whether we're going to achieve all of that in one particular go is going to be a bit difficult, as we are fasting at the moment. And you know, sometimes you do get a little bit hungry and that there, but nonetheless, we're going to give it a good bash. We'll start off here, wash off the hood itself, then work our way bottom and then work the way there. I got my brother with me, Ibrahim, who's going to be assisting me, and we're going to take it from there. So generally, guys, in my videos don't speak, they're very serious. But Ibi's taking off the wheels. I've just done a pre-soak on the top of the hood. I got my brushes to go. I think I'll use one of my bigger brushes, and then I'll come through with one of my intricate brushes on the top and give this hood a nice good cleaning. You can see the surface is covered with some plastic, so we don't get all this contaminants from the top onto the bottom. Now it's time to get the inner fender linings looking pretty clean. So a dedicated mitt for the fender linings on the inside. Get it all clean, get the silver there at the bottom all nice and clean. Yeah, we're gonna most probably put in some effort here. Get the strut looking clean. Go with your brushes on the inside of the caliper on that side there. So while Evie's still busy with there, I'm taking my finer brush and hitting it through on the areas. So with the fender liners all clean, the brake calipers all clean, the back of the guards all clean, the subframes all looking good and clean and shiny. We're now going to dress this particular area of the car. The engine bay has also been cleaned and detailed. All the covers are taken off because that are clean individually. We'll give this area a dry up here on this side here, as well as on this side here. Brake calipers, everything, all the silver at the back looking absolutely beautiful on that side there. I started cleaning the wheels on this side here. So I haven't done a decontamination. I've just taken off all the surface dirt off the wheels itself. It's pretty caked on here at the back, so I don't know. I might have to do a clay bar here at the back and see how it goes. But yeah, so far so good. Once this process is done, we'll slap the wheels back on. So to clean the rubbers, we're going to be using SP9 Shield Heavy Duty Vinyl and Rubber Cleaner, and then we'll coat it again with something over the top. So we're done cleaning the plastic rubbers on the car as well as the actual plastics itself on the car. The result came out phenomenally well. So the two products that I have used is I've used SP9 Heavy Duty Vinyl Cleaner. This was the first step that I used. And then after that I dressed it with Black to the Future. So I'm only using products that I trust, products that I use on these particular cars. So there's nothing industrial about it. I'm not buying 5-liter bottles of things like that there and mass producing it. It's the products that I like that will be the products that will be used on each and every customer's car up until the day just before Eid. So yeah, so the results came out exceptionally well. So we have all the plastic components laid out on the grass. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to take my solution. I'm just gonna whack them all. Let it just sit. Let me just top it up. So the engine bay is looking pretty much clean, everything looking OEM, no shiny looks, no gray, or what's it, that white silicone that you used to find by Jamia Cafe. It used to come in like a 2-liter bottle. Everything looking matte, nice and clean. Trims are all restored to its former glory. Just the intake manifold needs to go on, and then the scour will be perfectly done on the outside, or rather on the engine bay. Just need to polish up these particular clips, and once these clips are polished up, I can put the intake manifold on the car itself. Looking all good. The fender liner is also looking pretty much perfect on the inside. We got the engine mount, which was also clean there, and as well as on the other side, over this side here. The wheels are pretty much clean. What needs to take place now is we just need to do an iron out, and then we'll do a mechanical and a chemical decontamination. Chemical decontamination being the iron out, and we'll do that on this wheel as well. So for now, we'll just put the wheels back on. When we do the full wash on the car, then when we do the iron out on the car itself, we'll do that particular process. But so far so good. You can see how that thing is shining over there. Ooh. So the wheel wells all clean, the engine bay all clean, and before we do the wash on the outside, I like to do my interior first because it gives me a chance to double vacuum the car and to wipe off the sills twice. So I got my specialized scrub here for my leather. So this is my leather scrub for here. This is my detailing brush. I got a few of these. There's multitudes of them. I think this is size 10. It starts off as size 6. I got my smaller brush to get in to the more nifty areas, and I love my products here. Interior shampoo by Otto Glim. Fantastic. Let's give this a go. So what we're using here is we're using 303 aerospace protectant. So we're pretty much almost done cleaning the interior. So again, this is not the silicone that you use on the tires that you dress the inside of the dashboard with. This is proper stuff. Aerospace protectant 303, good quality stuff. So this will apply to all the plastic trims as well as the dashboard. You can see here how it's faded because it was unprotected. So I'll treat this here so to get this black again. Once I've treated all of that particular stuff, we'll hit it again. So what we're doing now is we're going through each vent just to get the color back on the vent so that it looks new. You can see how faded it was here, and then we'll take an after shot. So I didn't want to document every car that came into the garage for the Eat Special for the detail. So what I've decided was I just did one complete full detail on this particular car, and I'm going to take you guys through what we did on it, and you guys can enjoy it. As you've seen before, there was a previous footage as to exactly what was done. But first things first, yeah, I take some glitter and remove the old stickers of the car, and because you know what, we did the work on this one. So there was an old sticker here. Just need to remove that sticker. There we go. Now she looks so OEM 10 times better. Nonetheless, you can see what we've done is we basically clay bar decontaminated, we've waxed, we sealed the paint itself. Everything has been correctly done. Wheels came off, we clay barred the inside of the wheels, iron out the wheels, we changed the tips out, we put 2 new tips, well, 1 new tip to match the existing tip on the car itself. Car is blinking, man, blinking. So we did a turbo install on this particular car. We did the vacuum lines, we did the water pump as well. We did a few things. There was a few things that we actually did on this particular car. We did oxygen sensors, we did all of those particular stuff as well. Now this guy is all shining, ready to go to the customer. I hope you guys have enjoyed this particular episode. I think it's a little bit long, lengthy, like that there. But yeah, guys, ready to go through. Maybe just give it a start up. If I can find this bloody keys. Okay, I can't find the keys, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this particular episode. It was quite cool to detail everybody's car who came into the garage. There's the 5 Series sitting there, it's ready to leave as well. The Viano is there as well, he's ready to leave as well. Give you guys a quick glimpse of the engine bay. So paint is looking all good. It does have some flaws and imperfections. So again, yeah, you can see new vacuum hoses. We did the turbos there as well. New oxygen sensors running through on that side there. New thermostat on that side. All the vacuum hoses replaced there, as well as on this side here. Pretty much golden, ready to go. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Till we meet again. Peace.